Minister wa githomo Julius Migos ni atongoririe igongona ria kwihitithia Kanju njeru iria kurugamirira mihango university-ini ya Moi county ya Uasin Gishu niguo gutigirira thukuru uyu ni wacokereria mihango ya oro muthenya. Kuringana na Migos, thirikari yatigithirie wira Kanju iria irariho kuona niyo yacungiriirie rugamiriri moru uria wacungiriirie gutharara kwa mihango ya mathomo hamwe na mateta kuma kuri aruti a wira university-ini ino.
As you may be aware, Moi University has been undergoing troubled times for the last few months, leading to a number of strikes.
Migos ni ugite ikinya riri ni riguteithiriria gucokereria riri hamwe na mihango ya mathomo ni iratwarithio na njira igwete.
A strategy that we've come up with to ensure that this university comes back to where it was, and both the staff and students are not therefore going to be affected negatively going forward.
Kanju njeru igukorwo igitongorio ni muikariri giti Noah Midamba hamwe na amebana aria ni hamwe na Ronald Wasike, Masi Nyabura Kanyara, Edward Sambili na Ann Washeke Makori.
Because of the governance and leadership issues that were in the school, we decided to appoint a new council to lead the reforms and sustainability strategy that we've come up with to ensure that this university comes back to where it was.
Kiumia kihituku kuhitukira notithi ya gatheti ya thirikari ya tariki 17 mweri uyu, Migos ni akajire maritwa maria mamuritwo ari hamwe na maandu aria manatungata ta ameba a Kanju thukuru-ini uyu. Oho ni ugite thirikari ndigukiririria kuona mundu uragonderera wira-ini wake thukuru-ini cia muingi guku bururi-ini kuona maricemba gutacukia ikinya.
We are not going to let any of our universities to go down, and we are beginning with Moi. We are next moving to Tuk in Nairobi, just to ensure that we bring a lot of hygiene in this sector.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitago gathoni wanganga.